Yeah, it's our time to shine. Yo, that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself rock till your heart stops. Let this beat got a new clock and a new start. A new stock, drunk off the goose, yeah. Thinking that I'm too pop, getting caught with a few thoughts. Come up on the bar, can't even handle me. Even what I got, nobody's gonna drain my energy. And I will never stop, I'm motivated by enemies. Setting up shop so everybody remember me. And though I am not going through life regretfully, I'd rather work non-stop. What they call it, to work some odd job just to live life pleasantly. Already gone,
triple kill.
So stop, drop, and roll. You lost all control. I'm rock and roll. That's what I fold. I'm not rock, I'm sold. My stock box is gold. Hey, knock, knock, she holding shit. Talk to close. I ain't stopping. No, we can't drop, you know. I'm not dropping down. I'm on pocket flow. You can't stop the show, so get rockin' on. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up. I ain't never know I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you. I ain't never let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up. I ain't never know I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you.
Quadra kill.
I ain't never slowing down. Keep on going till I'm down. No, I'm never slowing down 'cause we're blowing up now. I ain't never slowing down. Keep on going till I'm down. Slowing down. Hard work's like a weapon, attack with no question. In my own section and they still disconnected. Cause the line's filled with objections. No attention, they don't know I'm in contention. I'm getting their connection. Lyricism and aggression got me feeling my passion and my passion, my profession. I'm attacking my obsession, taking action and progressing. I go off on the enemy. But that's why I'm see you can't predict my tendencies. I offer no transparency. Some people think I'm lost, others think I'll be a legend. I'm never gonna stop till I'm one above.
Dominating.
Don't let your dreams stop, cause dreaming is a blessing. They me all the same. Told me I won't make a name, but it's not about the fame. It's about keeping me sane. So I stay within my lane. Feel my sources here. My veins. Feel the no pain. Welcome all to my domain. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. Break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't never break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up.
Unstoppable.
I ain't worried about you. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't here to make friends. What I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it. I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest. I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'ma be the one that worked the hardest. Cause I promise you that I'm just getting started, and I promise you that I'm just getting sharper. So I'ma get sharper, I can't be guarded. Nah, I wanna get retarded. Get the party started, yeah, get the party started. Yeah, bitch, you got me fucked up. I don't know what's up. Pour that shit in my cup. We got this shit up so bad. Sounds like we're sold out in front of a whole crowd. We get control now. I'll take this shit too personally. Everybody got an version of me. Everybody wants to learn it from me. Everybody wants to learn it from me. And I feel like there's some certainty and urgency to find out what you wanna be. But honestly, reaching your mind's constantly. So stop and breathe and find out who you wanna be.
Skill on cooldown.
No, because I want this. Don't try to stop me. Never ain't an option, so I be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this. Work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit. Because I want this. Don't try to stop me now. Don't try to stop not for me. I don't give a fuck if you got a cause
Killing spree.
200 grand later and we're not even working. Student loans worth more than what we're earning. Best lesson I learned is to keep on searching. Find your true passion and get to work. And better take action or you end up serving. Yeah, that's a fact. So you better clean up your act. So you better raise up the stack and tell the world they can suck on that. Don't come back, pack your bags. You take a trip and don't relax. You hit the switch and just attack. You find your niche and make some racks. Don't hold back. Everybody wake up. It's time to break up.
Head
Live the
there.
life you made up. It's time to trade up. Live the life you want now. A life you don't doubt. I could give a fuck how. Just be your real out. Wake up, man, this life is a blur. Everyone's got an opinion, so which one you prefer? Cause I'll give you one that's coming from an entrepreneur. Don't give up on your dream if it's what you deserve.
Killing spree.
Thanks.
Failure ain't an option, so I be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this. Work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit. No, because I want this. Don't try to stop me. Failure ain't an option, so I be cautious. I hope that you're